Learning Chinese, Mandarin, is an exciting journey, and with the right approach, you can make steady progress. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. 1. Understand the basics. Chinese characters. Learn that Chinese uses characters, not an alphabet. Each character represents a syllable and has its own meaning. Pinyin, Master Pinyin, the Romanized system for pronouncing Chinese words. It helps you learn the pronunciation and tones. Tones. Mandarin has 4 tones, plus a neutral tone. Practicing tones early is essential as they change word meanings. 2. Set clear goals. Determine why you're learning Chinese, for example, travel, business, cultural interest. Set short-term and long-term goals, like learning basic phrases in a month or holding a simple conversation in 6 months. 3. Get learning materials. Apps. Use apps like Duolingo, Hello Chinese, or Pleco for vocabulary, tones, and grammar. Books. Start with beginner books like Integrated Chinese or HSK Standard Course. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, edX, or YouTube offer free/paid courses. 4. Focus on listening and speaking. Practice listening, watch Chinese TV shows, movies, or listen to podcasts, for example, Chinese Pod. Speak regularly, use apps like Italki or HelloTalk to practice speaking with native speakers. 5. Learn characters gradually. Start with the most common characters, HSK Level 1 words. Write characters repeatedly to memorize their structure and meaning. Use flashcards, Anki or Quizlet, for consistent review. 6. Practice daily. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes daily for vocabulary, listening, speaking, and writing. Consistency is more important than long sessions. 7. Immerse yourself. Label items in your house with their Chinese names. Change your phone or app language to Chinese. Interact with Chinese-speaking communities online or offline. 8. Learn grammar in context. Mandarin grammar is relatively simple but different from English. Focus on sentence patterns, like subject plus verb plus object, and build complexity over time. 9. Take it step by step. Start with greetings, numbers, and essential phrases. Progress to basic sentence structures, everyday vocabulary, and then more complex grammar. 10. Stay motivated. Celebrate small achievements. Engage with Chinese culture, food, festivals, music, and history. Would you like suggestions for specific resources or help creating a study plan?